What's going on, everyone? Thanks for coming to WeCast. Hope you had a good time, or if you're at the show right now, hope you're having a good time. We're going to be taking a look at a brand new bait from Yamamoto. This is the Zako Slim. If you're familiar with the regular Zako here, this is the 4-inch version. The Slim Zako is coming in a 3.5 version made for your smaller chatterbaits and bladed jigs. Now, what's one of the benefits of throwing something in a slimmer profile as well as a smaller profile? Well, if you've got pressured fish, especially in a big city area, if you're pond fishing, you typically have fish that see a lot of regular Zakos as well as bigger chatterbaits. Moving down to smaller sizes like a 1/4 ounce or even really some 3/8 ounces, you can really get a ton more bites using a smaller profile. In this Zako Slim here, we've got a bunch of different colors. Another cool thing is that not just did the profile on the Slim versus the Fat change, they also kind of beefed up the plastic, it seems like, just a little bit more. So one of my big things with Zakos is that I always typically lose the tail for some reason. Maybe I need to shorten it up on the front, but this compact profile here does all that for me. I don't need to trim the Zako original here. And another really neat thing is that this guy right here, you can actually rig it two different ways. You can have it with the belly up or belly down, and one thing that's going to do is actually kind of affect how your bait looks in the water. If you want a little more of like a bluegill, taller bluegill profile, you can actually put it with the belly side up a little bit and it looks just a little bit different in the water. Another neat thing about this, again, I think they changed something with the plastic. It seems like it doesn't have as much salt. It's a little bit harder. So even though you are sticking the hook keeper or the bait keeper in here, it should stay on a little bit better. I will have to confer with my GSM and Yamamoto guys to see if they actually did or not, but it does feel a little bit stronger. Typically a mini max or something of the sort, anywhere in that 1/4, 3/8 range, maybe even like 1/8, you can probably fish this on a couple of those. Gonna give your baits a very unique look that the fish haven't seen before. So make sure to check out the 3.5 Zako Slim from Yamamoto when they get in stock here at Lake Pro Tackle. Thanks again for coming to WeCast. Can't wait to see you next time. Thanks, guys.